What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean the seats in my car. Genuine leather seats, Napa leather, with some cleaners. They are from GYEON. I have the leather cleaner strong, and then we're going to coat it with leather coat, which is the less expensive solution than the nano coating they also provide. We are going to use a natural hair brush, also a more abrasive brush, and some microfiber towels, including a damp one. This is almost wet. If you want to see the retrofit I did from the fabric interior to this genuine leather one, I will add the links in the description. This seat was completely vacuumed before, so let's get going with the cleaning. In order to make it easier for you to see the difference before and after, I've added a tape, a line of tape, so we can remove it, and then you see how it's when it's cleaned, how it was before that. We will apply the solution directly on the brush. I don't want to create any lines here or something. Now I'm going to agitate with this stiffer brush. Using this cloth, we will remove the dirt. The camera can pick it. Then we take the damp microfiber towel and try to remove the excess of the cleaner. Here's a close-up look of the clean part and uncleaned one. You really see the difference. To be honest, I was not expecting to be that matte when it's cleaned, but it looks nice. Let's see how it will look after we apply the coating also. There you have it, guys. The seat is completely clean. As you can see, it has a really matte finish to it, which I really like. But I know that it will not stay the same after I apply the coating, but it is specified that the coating will still remain matte. So let's see how this goes. First of all, we have to mix it up properly. They mention you should use an applicator pad, like a microfiber applicator pad. I don't have one, so I will use this towel. That's the final result. It's been about 20 minutes since I applied the coating. I think it's dried. A few areas are, let's say, more shiny. I don't especially like that, but yeah, at least I know that the coating will make the leather easier to be cleaned and also will repel some water. As you see here, there are some marks. In the future I will try also other coatings. I've seen one from leather repair company that I want to buy, and maybe I will make a comparison between those two in the future. So there you have it, guys. The GYEON leather cleaner is strong, and also the GYEON leather coat. So this was the result. This is how they work. To be honest, I'm really impressed about the cleaner. It cleans very well, easy. You only need one application. Maybe in some more greasy areas you need to apply 2 coats, but the result is very good, it's very matte. This was also the coating. The application is very easy. The finish is also matte, but not so matte as only with the cleaner. I will definitely try some other coatings in the future, and maybe I will do a comparison between them. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.